My name's Southwell, Director at Decon Systems Australia. We're a training consultancy company offering courses throughout Australia in the cleaning, restoration and home inspection industries. We offer courses in Brisbane, Sydney, Melbourne, Adelaide, Perth. Pretty much go anywhere if there's a demand. Decon Systems have been operating in Australia for approximately 2 years now, initially focused on the meth contamination space and more recently moved into IICRC. We offer IICRC, WRT, UFT and CCT courses, and we're looking at bringing in a couple more in 2020, as well as some really good one-day courses that we feel will be very popular within the cleaning restoration industry. We've got 5 trainers on board here at Decon Systems. Myself and Rosemary focus on the meth contamination space. We've got Paul Pritchard and Duncan Bennett focusing on IICRC, and we've got Andy Ferguson on board to deliver some really exciting one-day courses that we plan to release in 2020. We're also looking at the mould assessment training space, and we're looking at bringing an occupational hygienist on board over the next few months to develop and deliver a course in that area. Decon Systems moulds itself around 3 pillars of success: service, quality, integrity. In terms of service, communications and engagement, very, very important for any business. Making sure you're answering emails promptly, making sure you're taking those calls when someone's trying to get hold of you. In terms of the booking process, making sure the registration process is very, very easy, efficient and transparent. And I guess the last aspect of service is post-course support. You know, people are going to walk out of our courses with an increased enhanced knowledge for sure, but it's making sure that they walk away and they've got the appropriate resources they need to get themselves up and running, and getting themselves up and running confidently and they're comfortable with it. Decon Systems will not release a course unless we're 100% satisfied that it delivers on desired outcomes. There's 2 things that make amazing courses. The first being quality content, the second being quality trainers, both of which we have an abundance of. Our last pillar of success, integrity, is something we take very seriously and we work extremely hard to maintain. We believe we've built up a really good, strong reputation in this industry throughout Australia, all based or formed around ethics, good business practices and honesty.